Hey guys, it's Zoe
and TJ,
and we're
Sibling Science! In today's video, we'll be doing
the lemon volcano experiment.
For this experiment, we will need a lemon, a paper plate, any color of food dye, a spoon, baking soda, and use of a parent with a knife. The first thing we need to do is have a parent cut off a portion of the lemon. The second thing we need to do is scoop some of the lemon out onto the plate. It's pretty tricky, so if you need to, you can use a butter knife. You could also use your fingers. The third thing we need to do is put a few drops of food dye into the lemon. It should look something like this. The next thing we need to do is pour some baking soda on top of the lemon and mix it up with your spoon. Watch it go! Yeah! That's so cool! It's like a real volcano. But it's just a lemon. That's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. But first, we want to give a huge shout out to Katarina for suggesting this video.